Are you planning to go to the beach, camping, or to have a barbecue? Let me introduce you to your new mobile lifestyle partner, Parago Pg20. Pg20 is probably the best portable cooler you have ever used. It always keeps your food and drinks the way you need. Super cool and super safe. Today, I will show you how to charge it. Step 1. Take the Parago adapter and connect its AC port to a power source. Step 2. Connect the other end, the DC port, with the DC socket on your Pg20. Step 3. Push the on-off button next to the LED display. The LED display lights up and your Pg20 is now ready for use. Step 4. To shut off your Pg20 again, press and hold the on-off button for 2 seconds. You're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.